this is Sangelita. Welcome to my channel. And as you can see, I don't have any makeup on. Well, I do have makeup on, but not a lot. Anyway, so I was getting ready and something kept telling me, hey, why don't you record this look? Why don't you record this look? So I said, okay, I might as well then. Today's Halloween, and for fun, my husband and I are just going to dress up as superheroes, you know, and just pass out candy to the neighborhood kids. We have a lot of little kids in our neighborhood, so last year I kind of felt bad. We just turned off the lights and, you know, didn't open the door, and the little ones, you know, dressed up so cute in their little fairy costumes and little lions and tigers, and yeah. So anyway, so I said this year, let's just pass out some candy. I mean, it's innocent. It's not gonna hurt. We don't celebrate Halloween, but we're just doing it for the kids and just show love and friendliness to our neighbors. So anyways, I already got my foundation on, and you guys know the foundation I use most of the time is by Too Faced. It's Born This Way by Too Faced. My concealer is Cover FX. I already have that on, and I have my powder on, which is Smashbox. So yeah, so we're gonna go through this hopefully really fast, and we'll get through this together. So you are gonna watch me transform into Wonder Woman. I got a last minute costume, a cheap costume too, so it doesn't look, I don't know, like some of your guys' professional videos out there, some of these YouTubers, but hey, it's Wonder Woman, who cares? You know, like I said, I don't really celebrate Halloween, so I'm just doing this for fun. So anyways, let's get right into it. I'm gonna try not to talk, that way we can get through this fast like I've been doing with my other videos, and I'll just show you what I'm using. All right, hang on. Regular mascara today. Here's the last line. This color right here. To give it a little shine at night and light glow, because we are going to be outside, and most of this is probably going to be wore out by evening anyway. So, and it's 11:33 in the day, and we're not passing out candy till, let's see, and the color is named Lumiere, so it's okay. So the makeup is set and done, so I just need to get dressed. Maybe I'll show you my costume real quick. And yeah, so this was a look. It's a pretty natural look. I'm sure I'm gonna have to touch it up a little bit later, because, you know, it'll probably wear off and I have like a few things to do and run around looking like Wonder Woman. But yeah, so let me show you what everything looks like together. All right guys, so we are done. We are Wonder Woman today. This was a fun look to create. The costume's a little weird how it's made. Of course, I'm not going to be sitting outside like this because it's going to be freezing to death. So I'm gonna probably have on some long sleeves, like my skin tone, and the leggings. I have leggings on right now, so whatever you guys just seen in the video, those are not my legs. Those are skin tone, actually tights, and they're fleece lined, and they're gonna keep me super warm. It's really open in the back, so I have a tank top on, so you guys, right now. But yeah, so when I go out of this house, and I think I'm gonna go pick up my son from school dressed as Wonder Woman. He's gonna be like, oh my gosh, Mom, drive fast, drive fast. Okay, I could drive fast. I'm Wonder Woman, remember? Anyways, but yeah, thanks for watching. I'm glad I recorded this look. Like I said, I wasn't going to. I started doing my makeup and something kept telling me, why don't you record? Why don't you record? So I'm like, well, I guess something's telling me, let's record. You know, I already had my foundation on, my concealer on, and my powder on, so all we did was just the eye makeup. And it was a very simple, natural look, so, you know, not much going on, and this wig just doesn't want to participate. It just keeps turning this way, but yeah, we'll have to fix all that later. But this was just for the video. I just wanted to show you guys, and this is how we're going to be passing out candy, and I will take more pictures. Yeah, that's my muscles. See, this is what happens when you work out. You get nice toned muscle arms, small waist when you're carnivore. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, see my tank top. But yeah, so this was in a size medium woman's. So yeah, so it all worked out. It fit just fine, you know, surprisingly. And well, I shouldn't be surprised, you know. I watch what I eat. And like I said, I only eat meat, so I'm carnivore. And with carnivore, I noticed I get my smaller waist, which is pretty cool. So, and I don't even work out that much. All I do is cardio, and not even cardio. All I do is walk on the treadmill. That's all I do, nothing more. I just walk at 2.2. The treadmill's not even elevated. So nothing, I just walk at 2.2, got a couple of friends that come by my side and we just chit chat away, and yeah, that's all I do. I used to lift weights and do all that crazy stuff, but with my immune system issue, it's not working out really good. So every time I lift weights, my joints hurt really bad, and just gets inflammation, and just not a good thing to have to deal with, you know, waking up to that pain. So why put your body through that pain when, you know, there's other things you could do, like watch what you eat. So, and that's what I do. And like I said, I'm carnivore. So yep, so this is the look. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I'm glad I recorded. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. I mean, like I said, I'm not making these videos for me, I'm making them for you guys. And today I'm Wonder Woman, so I'm demanding you guys subscribe if you want. I'm just playing around. But anyways, yeah, so I'm pretty much done doing all the Halloween costume tutorials. Like I said, I mean, I had fun, and all we're gonna do is just pass out candy to the kids. So we're not doing, like I said, we don't really celebrate Halloween. We don't go to crazy Halloween parties. I mean, nothing like that. That's just not us. And you know, like I said, I'm gonna wear like a long sleeve top on. Not only that, you know, it's cold, but I'm just a very modest person. I really don't like too much skin showing. That's just who I am. And yeah, so this is all the skin you're gonna basically see on me. So this is Wonder Woman's outfit. So yeah, so I'm gonna have long sleeves on, just like I have the tights on right now. And I think you guys see that. I don't know if you could see the tights on I have on. Yeah, these are just, and these are fleece lined. These are like super thick. So if you want to know where I got it from, I got it from Amazon because I didn't have time to shop. This belt's kind of cool too, so. And I don't know if you can see the shoes. Probably not. And I don't know if I can keep my leg up that high. But yeah, this, it comes with these boot things, so pretty cool. You just wear them over your pants, your tights. I'll show you right now. Yeah, so when I stand back all the way, you guys can see it has like these boot covers, which are pretty cool. They don't fit properly on my foot, but I just have my black boots on, so. So yeah, like I said, these are tights. These are not my legs. I do not show skin like that. And this is like it's like a one-piece thing. So it's like a skirt, and then there's shorts underneath this thing, so, which is kind of cool. I don't want to turn back too much. You can see my whole tank top back there. But yeah, I don't know. This was a fun look. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do subscribe to my channel. I had fun watching this. Sorry my room's a mess, but this is my room. And I have a bunch of paperwork on my wall, so I don't forget certain notes. So anyway, so this is Wonder Woman. And it came with this little shield thing too, which is kind of cool. So I'm gonna pass out candy like this. The little kids are gonna be like, look, mommy, it's Wonder Woman. Yes, it's Wonder Woman. I am a mom of 5 sons, grown sons. All 4 of them are adults. My youngest one is gonna be 15 this December. So you know what? I am Wonder Woman. So don't mess with me. Alright guys, see you later. Take care and have a safe Halloween. Have a blessed Halloween. Stay safe, please. I mean, if you don't have kids, don't even go out. Stay inside because it could be crazy out there. I know in our neighborhood, there's going to be tons of kids in my neighborhood. So we're just going to pass out candy till probably 8:45. So if you know where I live, come to my house. By 8:45, lights off. We're not going to be out there. So next day is school. Next day is work. So we usually get into bed by 9 p.m. So all right, guys. Take care. Bye. I hate to mess up what your parents taught you guys all your life, but there is no superheroes. The only superhero is Jesus.